To share contacts on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open our Contacts app. Next step is to find the contact that you want to share. For example, let's go for this one. After that, we can find a share button on the bottom. You can click on it and then you can copy it as vCard file or text. I would recommend to select the text, and that way you can click on done. Now this specific contact can be shared via Quick Share, WhatsApp, Messages, Gmail, Facebook, or any other options that you can find below right here. Alternatively, and also the option I recommend, is to click on this button like that, and now it will be copied to your clipboard. You can open the chat that you want to share the contact with, for example on WhatsApp, and then all you have to do is click and hold your finger onto the chat area like this, and then click on paste. That way you'll be able to share the information about that contact. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.